For free AI APIs, $0 spend, and I am connecting every single one to a real coding agent live on screen right now. NVIDIA, Groq, OpenRouter, Ollama, let's connect every free AI model to your agent. So number one, NVIDIA, you can connect free models to Cline or any other AI agent for free. Go to build.nvidia.com and get your own model. I'm using Kimi K2.6. Click Generate API key. It will ask for your Gmail account. Wait until it redirects you. Then click Generate. It will generate an API key for you. Copy the API key. Go to Cline. Open Settings. Click OpenAI Compatible. Select your model and paste your API key there. Then select the model ID. Test it and you are ready to go. Number 2. Groq. Insanely fast and terminal native. We will connect Groq with Aider. Let's test it. Go to console.groq.com, enter a name, set the expiration, and click Generate. It will generate an API key. Copy the API key and go to Aider. Paste the API key there, save the settings, and you're ready to use it. In your terminal, run this command to install the package. On macOS or Linux, export your API key as an environment variable. On Windows, use the set command instead. Then run it with the model, either Groq or your own model. Watch how fast it is. That's Groq whole pitch. Third tool, OpenRouter. One API key gives you access to hundreds of AI models. It's completely free to get started. Go to openrouter.ai and sign up. It only takes a minute. No credit card is required. Click keys in the sidebar, then click create key. Here is the important part. Copy your API key immediately because OpenRouter only shows it once. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a brand new key. Go to the models page and filter by price, free. You will see a long list of free models. Look for any model with the free suffix in its name, such as DeepSeek R1 free. These models cost absolutely zero to use. Here is why OpenRouter is genuinely different from other providers. You don't have to reconnect or reconfigure anything when you switch models. Just use OpenRouter's base URL in any OpenAI compatible application or AI agent. Keep the same API key and simply change the model name whenever you want. One API key, access to every model, and zero repeated setup. That's the whole idea. Fourth tool, NVIDIA NIM again, and this time powering OpenHands, a fully autonomous AI engineer that can work through real coding tasks on its own. No Docker needed here. Agent Canvas runs everything in the cloud, so my laptop's 8 gigs of RAM stay completely untouched, and I am reusing the exact same NVIDIA key from earlier. Zero new signups. Inside settings under language model, you will see your existing profiles listed. Click Add LLM profile to create a new one for this NVIDIA model. Paste in your model ID. For me, that's OpenAI /DeepSeek AI/ and DeepSeek V4 Pro along with NVIDIA's base URL. Integrate .api.nvidia.com/v1 and the same key you have copied earlier, save it. Now give it something real to do. I asked it to build a complete to-do list app from scratch. Watch, it's already exploring the workspace and figuring out a plan before writing a single line. Start a brand new conversation and from the drop down, pick the NVIDIA profile you just created. That's your model selected and ready. Fifth and last tool, Ollama for running AI models 100% locally on your own machine. Now my laptop has only 8 gigs of RAM, so I genuinely can't run this live on camera. First, you install Ollama with a single setup command from their website. That's it. No extra configuration, no complicated steps. One command and it's installed. Next, you download a model. That's a one-line command too. And once it's downloaded, you start it with another simple command. At that point, you have got a fully working AI model running locally with zero internet required. Ollama automatically runs a local server in the background, so there is no API key to manage at all. You just point any coding agent to that local addresses and it connects directly to your own model on your own machine. So when does Ollama actually make sense? Use it when your code genuinely can't leave your machine, like private or sensitive projects. Use it when you need something that works with zero internet connection, and use it if you have already got 16 gigs of RAM or more of space, because that's roughly the minimum for running those models smoothly. NVIDIA into Cline, Groq into Aider, OpenRouter into any agent, NVIDIA again into OpenHands, Ollama for working offline. Coming next, a full setup guide for every tool here, step by step, nothing skipped, dropping this week, stay subscribed. 5 tools, $0. If this helped, subscribe. Next free build coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let's